This is the St. Johns County Real Estate Auction Report brought to you by Vanta Quality Assets. You can visit our site at www.vantallc.com. Investors welcome. Please view our services at the end of the video. Now, let's go to court. Okay, we have 9 properties for sale, so we're going to blow through them. Here are the stats for the first property. Case number CA093785. And high bid was $351, but that went back to the plaintiff. That was the bank. Somebody started at $350. That's $350,000. And when $351 hit, the person bidding stopped. Unfortunately, no banner was put up, and that's unfortunate for the bank, I gather. Anyway, the property is right here. Very nice. Has a beautiful screen and pool in the back. Nice. Looks like a waterway access, and it's 2 Turnberry Point Way. And again, here are the stats as we go to the second property that did not sell. We had 9 properties in all, only 1 sold. And the property here in question is CA110551. CA110551 looks like this. This is the property right here. By the way, here's the house. About 2,500 square feet, nice little McMansion. Did not sell. There was someone that actually bid 200 after the plaintiff bid 100, plaintiff bid 300, and then put up a banner afterwards for 160,000. I don't know about these plaintiffs. Next property, CA112114. CA112114. And here's the property in question. Looks like to me it looks like a double wide. The Zillow's estimate is about 80,000, and this is the property right here, as you can follow my mouse. And these are the stats. Of course, it went high bid 100, went back to the plaintiff, and that's all she wrote for this property. But nobody bid on it. Anyway, CA130610. CA130610. Nice looking property here. A little bit of a backyard, and I would say the property is in this area here, right here. And yes, 279,000. Did not sell though. It did not sell. The banner was held for 214. High bid 100, went back to the plaintiff. Next case, 130905. This one actually sold. 130905. Congratulations to the bidder, because he actually bought it for $1 over, and the property is right here. Lots of trees though, but yes, that is the property right there. And it's a double wide. Pretty decent amount of land. 1¼ acres. Not bad. Purchased it for $52,261. And as far as our formula is concerned, he overbid, but that's based on our formula, and it's just our opinion. Next property, well, it canceled. The representative was not there, so it canceled at the courthouse. Here, this property actually did sell. Oh, I'm sorry, it did not sell, but it was a great buy. As you can see here, we have a great buy banner, if you will, color yellow. Actually, our formula said that 36,210 was good, and look at what it's telling you here. Now, we didn't do any due diligence on this property, but it does come with the Winnebago, a 2001 Winnebago. Interesting. Let's look at the property. It's right here. I don't see the Winnebago from space, if you will, but it's pretty interesting little lot. And no, its estimate is 88,000. You can get it for 17, and supposedly it has a Winnebago. They even mentioned the VIN number. Very interesting. Very interesting. CA140192 is the next property. It did not sell, but here is the property. It's in 10 Arthur St. Augustine, Florida, as you can read. No problem at all. Property's size is okay, you know, not too big, not too small. And its estimate is at 113,000 or so. And no banner was held, and high bid 0. Actually went to the bank, 100. Next property. Now the next property, we have to look at it. Wrote here possible value above. It's very, very difficult to pick out and actually do some research on exactly where this property was. But let me show you CA 140194. These are the two properties legal descriptions in question. As you can see, Winterhawk Drive and Arrowhead Drive. And we found that by doing our research and due diligence on Zillow. And the property is right here. It's actually two properties. Looks like there's a little above ground pool, maybe some structures. Anyway, the property stats are as follows. And we took this value here, 211,000, based on this property up here, which does have a structure, a pretty nice home actually. So it could be that it's much less, the value is much less. Anyway, our Vanta formula stands as such. No banner was held, went high bidder at the plaintiff, that is the bank, took it back. And that's all she wrote. No news for today with the exception of the housing index. I just wanted to mention that the index has creeped down just a little bit, but it's still violated that head and shoulders pattern, that 6-month head and shoulders pattern. So it's still way above where it should be. Technically, anyway, the little dip was probably because of the little spike, just a very tiny spike in interest rates. Please note that we have a flat fee auction bidding service where we act as your proxy in court. And until next time, bid well, hats off, no fear.